What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I think last week, Friday, I was expecting price to continue down lower for BABA, and you see that it did continue lower towards on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It found support at the prior lows at the 70 mid $70 level, 70.52, 758, and then we saw a bounce up from there going to Thursday, gap up. Thursday was a little bullish, and price is the market closed for today. So again, basically the measurement move was practically met. You see this was one leg right here. This is the second leg. Market made two attempts at it. This was the first attempt right here, failed. Price pulled back. This was the second attempt. Basically reached it. We're at the range low support. I think once we break this downward trend line, there's a good chance we're going to see a move up higher. So a leg up higher, correction, another leg up, probably to the top of the range. So price has been going in sideways for a while now. You can see how well the price is trapped between the $70 level and the 77. So what does this mean? Basically, traders, when they open up the chart, they see this range also, and then it just becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy where everyone buys the lows, sells the highs. It just keeps on going back and forth. Is it guaranteed to happen forever? No, it's not. And they will know when. You'll have a good idea. Basically, if we don't get a bounce out of here and we start consolidating at the lows, then that tells me we could break down lower. So again, it's not guaranteed do we go up to the highs at all. It just depends on what we get over here. But as right now, that is the next step for price to do, is probably to get a move up higher, slight pullback, and then probably another leg up. But again, if we start seeing consolidation around here, that tells me that the buyers are not as strong, and then that can lead to a breakdown lower. And sometimes, for example, price can continue to trend down lower. We are still below this trend line, so just because we reach the target and bounce off of support doesn't mean we can continue higher. We can always just get rejected and break down as well there. So again, expectation is higher prices, but we'll see what happens based on this trend line and the bounce off of this level that we're currently at. So that's all I see for BOP on the daily chart. We'll have to wait and see, but as right now, it looks like it has the ability to move up higher towards the high 70s as of right now. But it has been trading sideways overall since basically this entire year. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that we have this choppy price action at the lows of this downtrend, still below the EMA. We have this bearish trend line in play. So that's one thing. Another thing that the bulls would have to face if they want to drive up the price. Still below that $80 level, which was prior strong support. And now it's basically, we're below it, so that's not a good sign at all. Overall, not the bullish looking chart. It's basically short-term a little bullish, medium-term neutral, long-term neutral as well, possibly lower. So overall, it's not doing much. I think they want to come back to retest that prior low at the $59 level. Just like how there was a double bottom right back over here in 2015 and 2016. We might see a double bottom here off of this $59 level before the trend reverses. As right now, it's not doing much, and I'll give you guys an update regardless on probably most likely next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.